friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Phanteks Glacier G40 ASUS ROG and TUF RTX 40 series graphics card. So friend, Phanteks announced the release of new Glacier G40 ASUS GPU block designed specifically for the ASUS STRIX and TUF RTX 4090 or 4080 series cards. And friend, this block brings the ultimate cooling performance with unique water block features to build stunning water cooled system. And friend, this block provides a high performance water cooling solution custom designed for latest ASUS GeForce RTX 4000 series card. And friend, a transparent acrylic jet plate is positioned directly over the GPU die to ensure optimal heat transfer, and backplate is included with all models to provide a smooth integrated look while providing additional cooling to the back of the PCB. And in addition, the full cover copper cold plate directly cools all memory and power delivery components on the PCB with high quality thermal paste. And friend, it features new fitting location to allow for better tube routing even in the most compact cases, and the GPU support bracket is added to the connect the water block to the rear PCI bracket so that the GPU is mounted more securely. And friend, it is made in Taiwan using only 100% copper, cast acrylic, anodized aluminium covers, and extremely durable Viton O-rings known for the automotive and aerospace industries. And friend, the integrated D-RGB lighting beautifully complements the water block and can synchronize with Phanteks D-RGB accessories and compatible motherboards. And friend, this block is available in satin black, chrome and matte white color finish. And friend, if I talk about pricing, the pricing is starting at 250 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.